Okay, so we're going to use trigonometry to be able to find an unknown angle. So the first thing we want to do is to label our sides so we know which of the three ratios we're going to use: sine, cos, or tan. So here's my triangle, and relative to my angle it's marked, that's what I'm trying to find, this angle here. So relative to that, this side is the adjacent. It's beside the angle I'm talking about. It's between the angle and the right angle. And this side here is the hypotenuse because it is opposite the right angle. So adjacent and the hypotenuse, A and H, O and H, A and H is this middle one, cos. It tells me that cos of our angle equals the adjacent divided by our hypotenuse. It's important we get those in the right order, the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse, not the hypotenuse divided by the adjacent. So I'm going to put in what I know. Cos of my angle, don't know my angle yet, equals the adjacent, 6.5, divided by the hypotenuse, 7.2. I'm trying to find out an angle. So because I'm trying to find out an angle, I'm using the inverse function. So that's second cos or shift cos, depending on your calculator. And it should say cos to the -1 or inverse cos of 6.5 divided by 7.2. Put that into your calculator and you get an answer of 25.5 degrees. So this angle is 25.5 degrees. My second triangle, again, I want to label my sides first. Here's my right angle. So opposite my right angle is the hypotenuse. Here's my angle. So beside or adjacent to my angle is the side here. Adjacent hypotenuse, I'm still using cos. So cos x equals the adjacent, 120, divided by the hypotenuse, 185. I'm trying to find out an angle, so it's second function shift, it's arc, it's inverse cos. So cos to the -1, x equals cos to the -1 of 120 divided by 185. And that'll give us an angle of 49.6 degrees.
Okay, Mary, so let's have a look at this one. So solve x plus 2x equals 12. So what do you think you do first?
Okay, well, I want x on its own, so I would put x equals 12 minus 2x.
Okay, so a lot of the time we want to get x by itself, but what we want to do first is get all of these x's together. So can you see anything we can do with this? Get all these together in one place.
Oh, okay, it's 3x, isn't it?
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
3x equals 12. Oh, and so x equals 4.
Brilliant, spot on, well done.